With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. So in this question, we have to tell two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. So let's start the solution. Firstly, we will see the washing soda. So common name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. And chemical formula is Na2CO3. Washing soda is a whitish and an odorless powder. Coming to its uses, the first important use of washing soda is it helps in the removal of hardness of water. And second important use of washing soda is it is used for removing burnt on grease from kitchen utensils. Right? Now coming to the baking soda. Now common name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. And chemical formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda is white solid that is crystalline in nature but often appears as fine powder. Now we will see the important uses of baking soda. So the first important use of baking soda is it is used in the fire extinguishers because it forms the soapy foam. Because of the formation of soapy foam. Right? And second important use of baking soda is it is used in the process of washing as a water softener. So these are the important uses of washing soda and these are the important uses of baking soda. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.